Hello, I want to teach you how to send your design as a template. So this is the design I made. So I have to go to this download. You will see template link. I'll click on it. I'll copy. So I'll have to take it to the place, the design that I want to put it. Yeah, this is the design I want to use to send it as PDF. That will have the link. So here is where I'll put it as I click here. So I'm going to paste the link this place here. So I'll click on this here. Then I will go to these three dots up here. Take me to this place. You will see where there's a link. Put link. I'll put the link. I'll paste the link here. I'll copy the link here. So you say done. Then you come back to this place. See that it has been underlined, which means that there is a hyperlink here. So I'm going to download this as PDF. I'll go to this place. Download. I'll go to here. I'll put it as PDF standard. Then I'll pick only the page I want, and that is page 4. That is the one I want to download. So I'll click done. Then I will download. Okay, let me open it here to show you how your clients or you can go back to the template to redesign. Okay, this is the PDF that you sent to people when they purchase your design. So they will have to go to this here to click, and it will redirect them to your design. Here is the template now. So you have to click use templates, and when you click use templates, it's going to demand for your login. So you will know how you are to, if you have you have to sign in to your Canva to make use of it. So if you have been on Canva, you have to continue. Either you use your Gmail, or you can use your Facebook, or you can even use your email to sign up in Canva before you can be able to use it. Thank you.